Hey friends, so today for math, we are going to do a review for our test tomorrow. So I want you to make sure that you have page 69, and then we will also be working on the back on page 70. Okay? So remember how we do the review. I'm going to go through each question with you. Sometimes we change it. I explain what I want you to do. Then I'm going to send you off on your own to work on it. And then the really most important part is that you make sure that you only come back to check your work with me once you are done with all of the problems. Okay? Make sure you are not just saying, oh yeah, I'm done. And then you copy all my problems because that's not going to help you on the test. All right? So here we go. You should have your pencil. You should have page 69. We're going to kind of reread over everything. I'm going to tell you what you need to do, and then I will send you off on your own. A building has 9 rows of mailboxes. There are 6 mailboxes in each row. Remember, that's a key word for what? I'm not going to tell you yet, but make sure you think about that. Write and solve an equation to find the total number of mailboxes. So you should be able to do that. Now look at number 2. It wants you to draw a bar diagram. You do not need to do that. If you like that strategy, you may, but you do not need to draw a bar diagram. I just want you to write the equation and solve the problem. Okay? Part B just wants to know what the answer is. But if you solve it here, that's fine. And remember, the answer to a multiplication product is called problem is called the product. I just told you. All right, so then let's look at number 3. You should be able to do that one fine. Which expression is equal to 9 times 4? Number 4 should be good. Number 5 should be good. Oh, let's look at number 6. Number 6 says select all that apply. So make sure you have more than one answer for that one. So we haven't had to change much yet. Okay? So the only thing you should have changed is you don't have to do the bar diagram on number 2. You're just going to write the equation and solve the problem. All right, flipping it over. Let's look at this one. Ben says that when any number between 1 and 9 is multiplied by 5, the product always has a 0 or a 5 in the ones place. Is this reasonable? So what he's saying is if you multiply something, anything, so if you multiply 1 times 5, he's saying that in the product, in the answer, in the ones place, there is either a 0 or a 5. So then try with maybe 9 times 5. So you're writing this down. I want you to solve these 2 answers, and then I want you to look in the ones place right here. He's saying the product always has a 0 or a 5 in the ones place. Is that true? Yes or no? Okay? And then that can be your answer for that one. So if you solve those and just tell me, yes, it's true, or no, it's not true. All right. Number 8. Same thing. We're multiplying, but it says use a bar diagram to represent the problem. Gabe has 5 bird cages. He keeps 5 birds in each cage. How many birds does Gabe have? All right, well, we are multiplying. So if you want to just write your answer, your whole problem right here, that's fine. Okay? So let's look at number 9. A set of blocks has 4 different colors that make a pattern. The pattern repeats 10 times. Write and solve an equation. That one should be easy. Number 10 should be pretty simple for you. Now 11 is weird. Okay, so we are going to cross some of this out. Cross off the first line and the second line. Okay, and they're talking about multiplying by 10. Remember how we talked about the pattern? So I'm going to give you a couple. So I want you to write this down. If I said 5 times 10, and we'll do 8 times 10. So it's asking, what is true about the digit in the ones place of each product? So if we split it up and we look at our answer, at our product, what are we going to notice is in the ones place? And it should always, always, always be the same number in the ones place. So what is true about the digit in the ones place of each product? So you're going to write a sentence to tell me that. Okay? Number 12, write and solve an equation should be good. Now this one is a little tricky. I'm going to put a star next to this one because you really need to think about this one. All right? Isabella has $45 to spend on shirts. All shirts in the store are on sale for $5 each. How many shirts can Isabella buy? Explain how you found your answer. If you just write your equation, that's fine. But do not be something called a number plucker. Do not look at these two numbers and put them together to make your equation. You have to think about this one, okay? Don't get tricked on this one. All right, so 1 through 13 on page 69 and 70. When you are done, you will come back and we will go over the answers. Take your time. Really think about this. These are the problems that are going to be on your test tomorrow. So think hard, try your best, and I will see you in a little bit. Okay?